Pro Achiase Senior High School FM. Which in terms of facilities are more like very facilities it made about what year some moves be what me to no more bet me aboma next time everybody be say Achiase Senior High School improvement and I say so kakra dey abema.
I mean I that say the tennis say school this year in 40 years. They move 27 years you're spending on the brand school. They move about new campus 13 years more. Is that the one problems in the door, so you need fence wall, you need school field. And you will be bro while like staff accommodation a problem because almost about 1,000 something what there's only about 4 staff members per all campus. So the challenge is very huge. But yes, stress at this particular time year anniversary year, and I'm on the 6th of May. Yeah, grand deba. The best say, and we are no more Achiase or more other areas, philanthropists, the government, everybody, all the stakeholders should come in. Now, they should give us the facilities and produce the results for them.
Okay. It's no answer. They didn't intervene because